Hey everyone! Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of art. If you're passionate about painting or just beginning your artistic journey, then you're in for a treat. Whether you're a seasoned artist or someone who's just picked up a brush for the first time, there's something here for everyone. Meet Allison Prior, an exceptional artist who specializes in acrylic painting. Her work is not only visually stunning but also incredibly inspiring. She's been dazzling the YouTube community with her vibrant tutorials. And now, she's inviting you to join her on Patreon. This is your chance to learn from one of the best in the field. Ever wondered how to bring your creative visions to life? How to transform those fleeting ideas into tangible art pieces? With Allison, it's all about turning that wonder into beautiful reality. She breaks down complex techniques into easy-to-follow steps. Picture this: detailed step-by-step guides, stunning acrylic techniques, and tips that'll make your artwork pop. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your skills improve with each brushstroke. Allison's got it all covered for you. From the basics to advanced techniques, she ensures that every lesson is comprehensive and engaging. Take a glance at these incredible pieces. Each one tells a story, each stroke a testament to her skill and creativity. From serene landscapes to intricate portraits, her range is truly impressive. And guess what? You can achieve this level of artistry too. You can learn to create masterpieces like these too. It's all about practice, patience, and the right guidance. With Allison's easy-to-follow tutorials, unlocking your inner artist has never been easier. She makes the learning process enjoyable and accessible. Now let's talk about why you should join Allison's Patreon. It's more than just a platform, it's a community of like-minded individuals. Patreon is a fantastic platform where creators are supported by fans like you. Your support helps artists continue to create and share their passion. By becoming a patron, you'll get exclusive access to early tutorials, full-length lessons, and downloadable resources like patterns and reference photos. These resources are invaluable for honing your skills. Imagine having all these tools at your fingertips. It's like having a personal art studio right in your home. Plus, patrons get the chance to interact directly with Allison. This means you can ask her questions, seek advice, and get personalized feedback. Ask her questions, get personalized feedback, and be part of a thriving art community. It's a supportive environment where everyone is encouraged to grow. It's not just about watching videos, it's about connecting and growing as an artist. You'll find inspiration and motivation from fellow artists. And did I mention the sweet discounts on commissioned artwork and art instruction? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. These perks make your artistic journey even more rewarding. So, what are you waiting for? This is your chance to take your art to the next level. Dive into Allison Prior's World of Art on Patreon and start creating your own masterpieces today. The possibilities are endless. Head over to www.patreon.com/allisonpriorart and let's paint the world together. Your artistic adventure awaits. Before you go, don't forget to check out Allison's YouTube channel for free tips and tricks to get you started. It's a treasure trove of knowledge. And looking for art supplies? She's got you covered. She's got an Amazon shop linked in the description to help you find the best tools for your artistic journey. Quality supplies make a big difference. Join the community, support a dedicated artist, and most importantly, unlock your inner artist with Allison Prior. It's a journey worth taking. Let's create something amazing together. The world is your canvas. Thanks for watching and happy painting. Your masterpiece is just a brush stroke away.